everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today we're going to see a wonderful vegetable kurma recipe, restaurant style. This makes for a perfect side dish, so let's get started and check out the recipe. Now before we start the recipe, first I have to wash all the vegetables, and for this I'm using Godrej Protect Germ Protection Fruit and Veggie Wash. So to wash the vegetables, I've taken about 1 liter of water in a bowl. To this I'm going to add a capful of the solution. Now this product helps in getting rid of the germs, the bacteria, the wax and dirt from the fruits and vegetables. So this basically works like a cleansing wash, and it is totally safe because it's natural ingredient based. So depending on the quantity of vegetables you want to wash, you can use the water and solution accordingly. So let it sit for about 5 minutes. So you soak the vegetables for about 5 minutes in this water. After 5 minutes, gently rub the vegetables and rinse it twice. So I'm just going to gently rub it. Have another bowl of water here. I'm just going to rinse it. The vegetables are looking very clean and nice. To a pan or a kadai, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Next, to the pan, add all the whole spices: cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, star anise and bay leaf. Next, I'm going to add 2 medium-sized onions finely chopped, 2 green chilli slit, a few curry leaves. Saute the onions till they're a nice golden brown color. So you can see the onions have come to a nice golden brown color. Next, add 1 whole teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Give it a quick mix. Next, add 3 large tomatoes finely chopped. Saute the tomatoes till they're nice and mushy. So you can see the tomatoes have become mushy. Next, I'm going to add all the spice powders, starting with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder and 1 teaspoon garam masala powder. Mix everything. Next, add all the vegetables one after the other, starting with carrots 1 cup, beans 1 cup, green peas 1 cup, potatoes 1 cup, cauliflower 1 cup. So I've taken equal quantity of all the vegetables that I'm using. Mix all the vegetables along with the masala. Make sure the masala coats the vegetables completely. So I've added 2 cups of water. This is a 250 ml cup. So I've added 500 ml of water to cook the vegetables. Keep the flame on medium. Close the pan and cook for about 15 minutes. While the vegetables are cooking, I'm going to grind a masala paste for the kurma. To the mixer jar, add half cup of freshly grated coconut, a few cashew nuts, 1 tablespoon roasted chana dal. Add 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds. Pour a little water and grind it to a nice fine paste. The masala is ground to a nice fine paste. Pour it into the pan and mix it with the vegetables. Pour some water to the mixer jar and remove all the extra masala that's sticking in the jar. Mix the masala along the vegetables. Now close the pan and let it cook for about 5 minutes. You can see the vegetable kurma has come together beautifully. Finally, garnish it with some chopped coriander leaves. You can serve this delicious and wholesome vegetable kurma with any main course of your choice. There you go, here is this absolutely delicious vegetable kurma. So you can see I've used a lot of vegetables, it's got a lot of flavors. It goes very well with chapatis, rotis, fulkas or even puris. So do try this recipe and enjoy.